Welcome back to another section of our topic or subject, statistics. Remember I said in the previous class we'll be looking at mode today. So here we are on the board here, mode. Mode is the most occurring datum. The singular of data, datum. The most occurring datum or number in a given distribution. That number, that datum that appears more than other numbers in a given distribution is called the mode. So just have it in you that when you're given a distribution, that number that appears more than other numbers is called the mode of that distribution. As simple as that. Now, for example, we have given a distribution 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 5, and 4. You've been asked, what is the mode? The answer is simple. You don't need to rearrange the numbers. You don't need to rearrange the data. When you're looking for mode, you don't necessarily need to rearrange the distribution. Just carefully look at the distribution given to you. You'll find out the one that appears more than other numbers. When you look at that 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 5, and 4, the number that appears more than other numbers in this distribution is 4. So our mode is simply 4. So your answer is mode is equal to 4. That is the answer. Mode is equal to 4. Quickly here, as a leader, you should note this. The number of times a given datum or number appears is referred to as frequency in statistics. The number of times a given datum or number appears in a given distribution is referred to as frequency. Please note that. The number of times a given datum or number appears in a given distribution is known as the frequency. So if I ask you what is the frequency of 4, you tell me 3, because there are 3 4s here, 1, 2, and 3. So the frequency of 4 is 3. This will help you put your result in a tabular form. This will help you put your result in a tabular form. If you know the number of frequency of a given datum, it will help you present your information in a tabular form. I'll show you how to go about that in our next other class, presenting your information in a tabular form. We are still dealing with mode. So in our next other class, we'll be looking at mode in a tabular form. See you in our next other class.